Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, for today we'll be producing the problem on the screen, which is the tap. Alright, so before I proceed, I need to actually set my parameters right here. So to join utilities, then to here to units. Okay, on units, precision, 1 decimal place, clockwise direction, I'm taking north, okay, and okay. Right, so after doing that, now my very first procedure right here is to draw a horizontal line in this order, just like this. Okay, so my horizontal line is going to be the length of I'm having 60 plus 20 plus 19 plus 150 plus 20, so that's going to be 100, 250, 340. So this horizontal line is going to be length of what? 340. Enter. Okay, horizontal line of 340. Enter. So let me bring it out. So that is it right there. Okay, so I'm going to provide a vertical line right here. Okay, yeah, a vertical line from that edge. Okay, that's the vertical line right there. Okay, so I'm going to offset this vertical line first of all mark of 60, offset 60. Okay, that's it. Then I'm going to offset it at another mark of 20. Okay, from here, mark of 20. So I'm offsetting it at another mark of 90. Okay, mark of 90. Okay, then I'm offsetting it at a mark of 150. 150. Then at another mark of 20. I'm offsetting it at another mark of 20, which is from here down here. Okay, so after doing that, what is the next procedure? So this horizontal line of ours, I'm going to offset it first at a mark of 30. Okay, both towards the top and towards the bottom. This up, then from right here towards the bottom. Okay, so this same horizontal line from that midpoint, I'm going to offset it at the mark of 40 towards the top and bottom also. So from here top, from here bottom. Okay, after doing that, what is the next procedure? So I'm going to advise that we start the drawing of our object from that right hand side, from the right hand side there. Okay, so then I'm going to actually pick trim. Yeah, with trim I'm going to trim this right here. Okay, this right here, this, and yeah, trimming this and this. Okay, so after doing that, so the arc we actually have the, yeah, so it wasn't actually specified, but we can actually come up with something. Okay, we can come up with something. So what are we going to actually do there now? This is what we are going to actually do. Okay, so the next procedure is to actually switch off our auto. Okay, so the distance from this area to the bottom here is what? Is 10. So I'm going to zoom it out. Okay, I'm going to come here under arc, I pick center, start and end. Okay, so from this very junction coming right here, I pick 10, enter, then I just strike that small arc right there. Okay, so I'm going to pick my arc right now. Okay, picking my arc right now. Okay, I'm going to stand at this junction with what? Radius 10, enter. Then I'm going to draw this arc right there. Okay, so I'm picking this same arc right here, then coming to this junction here. Okay, I'm picking another radius 10, then I'm pressing what? Enter. Then I'm drawing the intersecting arc right there. So doing that, I come back here, pick my arc. Alright, then standing at that junction, which is the midpoint right there. Do you see? Then at radius 10, enter, I draw this arc right here. So drawing that arc right there, I can trim away the unwanted part, which is this. Okay, then I can actually erase the whole of this out. Okay, delete. Okay, so I'm actually going to trim this area also. I'm trimming this also. Yeah, I'm trimming this also. So what am I going to do now to replicate this at the other end there? I'm going to actually use the mirror command. So coming right here, I pick my mirror. So picking my mirror, I pick this object, enter. Okay, so I pick first point and second point, so we have it over there. Then I'm going to click on no here. So then I'm going to pick my trim and trim this inner part out. Okay, so that area is already settled as it is over there. Okay, yeah, it's already settled. So let's come to the midpoint right here to proceed. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to actually come here, pick my arc, picking my arc, sitting at this junction right here. Okay, so then that's going to be at radius 30, enter. Okay, so I'm drawing this like this. Okay, so after drawing that, so I'm going to actually offset, yeah, offset this very line, offset at mark of 20, enter, from here downward. Okay, 20 plus 30, that's radius 50. So coming right here, I pick my arc, sitting at this junction, then I'm going to draw at radius 50, enter. Okay, I'm drawing it, so that is the intersection right there. Then picking my arc right here. Okay, coming to this junction right now at radius 20, enter. Then I'm going to draw this like this. So drawing it that way, I'm going to trim out the unwanted part there, which is this. Okay, trimming this out also, then this and this. Don't need this, we don't need this also, this. Okay, so that is it. So the next procedure is that I'm actually going to mirror this area to this area here. So I'm going to pick my mirror command. Picking my mirror command, I pick my arc, which is this, enter. Okay, so first mark right here, right, so second mark down there, then I'm going to click on no. So likewise, I'm going to pick my trim. Okay, with my trim, I trim this, okay, so I trim this, so zooming it out, I'm going to trim this and this. Okay, so I think that is okay right there. Okay, so let's get the upper part right here. Okay, so I'm going to pick my offset at mark of 40, enter. So this center line towards the right and towards the left. Okay, so what is the next procedure right there? So we are told that the distance from, okay, so we are told that the distance from the bottom here, okay, to the top here is 20, 130 plus 20, that is what, 170. Okay, so 170 right there, 170 right there. So I'm going to pick my offset command, mark of 170, enter. Then I'm going to actually offset this very line here. Okay, you can see upward, that's it, mark of 170 right there. Okay, so then I'm going to elongate that line very well in this order, like this. Okay, I think it's okay like that over there. And I'm going to actually extend this from here to here. Okay, I'm extending this also from here to here. Okay, on my auto. To there also. And I'm going to extend this from here to there also. So after doing that, so towards the top here, towards the neck here, we have an arc of radius, what radius 50. So I'm going to pick my offset mark of 50, enter. So I'm going to offset this very line here like this, okay, over there. All right, then I'm going to offset this also 50 towards the top there. So I'm having what, this intersection here. So at that intersection, I pick my arc, picking my arc, sitting right here, okay, switching off my auto, I extend it down here, which is radius 50 already. So that intersection, then I draw this, as you can see on the screen right there. That's radius 50 right there, okay. That's radius 50 right there. So as it stands right now, I'm going to trim some areas off. So I'm taking this out, I'm removing this likewise from that area, okay. So I'm taking this out finally, this right here, I'm removing it finally in that order. So I'm going to pick my mirror command, picking this, enter, okay, standing right here to this junction. I have it on the opposite side over there. Then I'm clicking on no. After clicking on my no, so I'm going to pick my trim. I'm trimming this out. See, I'm trimming this, and this also. So after doing that like that, so I think I'm removing this all together from here like this, okay. So that is that right there, So I'm picking my offset command now also, offset command, mark of 60, so that will be 30. At mark 30, enter, picking my line towards the left and towards the right there. So and the height there is what, height of 20. So escape. So let me trim first. I'm trimming this and this like that. So with my offset mark of 20, enter, I'm picking this upward there, okay. That is it right there on the screen. Then I'm trimming this edge. Wow, sorry, that's an error from my part, okay. I can just extend this further, I can also extend this further, and I can also extend this further. So I can now pick my trim command, trim this and trim this, okay. So I can trim this also, I can trim this also. All right, so it's looking like it little by little. I'm trimming this, I'm trimming this also, okay. So on in my auto, let me extend this very line, okay, towards the top. I'm extending this towards the top very well, okay. I have it right there, okay, I have it right there. So picking my offset mark of 10 towards the left and right, 10 towards the left, 10 towards the right, okay. And the height we're having there is height of 80. So then my offset at mark of what, 80, enter from here, towards the top there. So that's a mark of 80. So which means I'm still extending this towards the top very well, this towards the top, and this towards the top very well, okay. So having it right there, so I'm picking my circle, center diameter at diameter radius 20, that will be diameter 40, enter. So sitting comfortably right there. Okay, so then I'm going to actually pick, okay, this very line here, I'm going to extend it towards that area very well and towards this area very well. Okay, then I'm going to offset it, mark of 5 first of all. Okay, because the height there is 20, so mark of 5 first of all, 5, enter, which is this right to the top and this right to the bottom. So then I'm going to offset this also, mark of 10, enter, from this midpoint to the top and to the bottom right there. Okay, so then I'm going to offset this center line, 140, mark of 70, enter, 70 to the left and 70 to the right. Okay, so after doing that, let me pick my trim first of all. I'm trimming the whole of this out, okay, so then I'm going to pick my line, switch out my auto, stand right at this junction, extend down here, okay, with my line also sitting right here, extending it down here. So with my line sitting right here, extending it to the area there, and with my line also sitting right here, extending it to this area right there. Then I'm going to pick my trim. I'm trimming this, this, you know, trimming this and this, taking this out, this and this out also, so in that order. Okay, and then I have the license of trimming this and this also. Okay, in that order, then I can take this out also, like that. All right, so as you can see, it's looking like it. So coming down here, I don't need this and this, so I take them out. I don't need this also, I take it out. I'm trimming the whole of this, okay, so removing this and this, likewise over there. Okay, so I can actually redraw this from here to here. Okay, likewise I can draw this from here down here. Okay, then escape. So I don't need this and this any longer, so I take them out. Okay, so coming to this bottom right here, I'm taking this out. Okay, then I'm trimming this out of the way, this and this out of the way right there. Okay, so it means I'm taking the whole of this out. Okay, let me still leave that one over there. Okay, so I'm offsetting this at a mark of 30, enter, this line, mark of 30 right there. Okay, so then what is the next procedure there? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm having radius 80. Okay, radius 80. So the distance from here to here is already 80. So all I'm going to do is pick this line and just elongate it downward like this. So I think it's better like that. Okay, now 80 plus 50, that's 130. So picking my arc, okay, standing at this junction, which is mark of 130, coming down here, 130, enter. So I have this right here, I have this junction right here. So from that junction, I pick my arc, I sit at that junction nicely, then radius what? Radius 80, enter. With radius 80, I have what? I have this sitting comfortably right there. Okay, so that one is actually settled right there. So I can actually trim these areas out. Okay, trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this. Okay, I can trim this also, trim this, trim this, trim this. Okay, so yeah, this ought to be somewhere here. It should be somewhere there. Okay, and if that is the case, I'm picking this, extending this down here like that. Okay, so that is that over there. So I'm picking offset of what? 20, enter. So from here down there. Okay, so then I'm picking what? Trim. Okay, trimming this out. Okay, so I still need to extend this very well. Okay, so I can now trim this. Okay, yeah, getting there. Okay, yeah, it's looking like it already. Okay, it's looking like it already. So right here, the radius there is going to be radius what? From here, right here is going to be radius. So radius 20. Yeah, that should be radius 20. Okay, so here to here is already 20. Okay, so here to here is also to clear all doubt. So fillet, offset of what? 20, enter. So this downward, yeah, just to clear all doubt. Okay, then I'm going to pick my arc, sitting at this junction right here at radius 20, enter. I draw this out. So drawing that out, I'm going to pick my trim. So with my trim, enlarging it, I have this. Okay, then this also to it, this, taking this away, also, taking this away. All right, we are almost there. Okay, so I don't need this any longer, neither do I need this. So okay, wait. Yeah, so picking my arc, from this junction, okay, down to this center, then I draw that way. So I can now pick my trim. I say I'm trimming even without trim, deleting this, Okay, and now I will now trim this, 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 this. No, I'm trimming this. Yeah, so I'm taking this out also, right here, and right here. Okay, all right. So sorry, I'm offsetting this. Yeah, mark of 10, enter, left and right. So with my trim I can work this out like this, like this, like this, and like this. Escape. So I'm going to delete this and this out of the way. So this and this out of the way. So after doing all of that, so I'm going to come right here by layers. So yeah, picking from this. Okay, I'm picking this current. Okay, and I'm picking a color, which is that. So I'm drawing this line right here like this. Escape, then I'm picking match properties. I'm matching this line here. Okay, to this, and to this, and this, and this. So that is the projection of our objects, the projection of the tap, following or applying the principle of curved tangency, as you can see on the screen right there. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer this to your friends who might be in need of it. My name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Michael Tech. Thank you.